Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Mihon's exact version and system requirements. This matters because extensions depend on APIs. Once verified, enable Developer Mode in Settings, Advanced Developer Mode. This unlocks installation and debugging tools. Next, gather the extension package, Manifest, JSON, icons, and code folder, and verify signatures or hashes so Mihon accepts the install. You'll need admin rights or an elevated prompt. Finally, open Mihon's Extensions panel to begin the install flow and keep the package path handy. You import the extension via the Extensions panel, either import from file or drag and drop the folder. Mihon validates the manifest and signatures. When prompted, read and grant permissions consciously because permissions map to capabilities. Deny anything unnecessary and revisit later. Once installed, open the Extensions Options or Settings page to configure defaults. Enable features, set update frequency, and link accounts or API keys if required. Make sure background processes are allowed in Mihon's power settings so the extension runs reliably. You finalize by restarting Mihon so background services and permissions apply cleanly. This prevents intermittent failures. Then run quick tests of core functions using representative workflows to confirm behavior. If something fails, open the developer console to capture errors and logs. Those messages tell you whether it's a missing API, bad path, or permission denied. If needed, disable the extension, clear Mihon's cache, and reinstall the package. One key troubleshooting tip. If install repeatedly fails, verify the manifest schema and signature. Mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.